Yes, good morning, everyone. I hope you are able to hear me and you are able to watch my screen. Welcome for our RTL online trainings and placements. Myself, this is Chandra. I am here to take up the complete training and placement process. So we are going to have 3 demo sessions today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow. So 3 demo sessions we are going to have. In these 3 demo sessions, we are going to discuss which technology we are going to have the training, how we are going to place the candidates as a trained fresher as well as experienced consultant. What are the terms and conditions we have in RTL regarding the placements, and what is the history of RTL? And also, when we talk about the technology point of view, I'll be showing you a couple of assignments live so that you can understand whether you are able to understand the technology, whether you are able to write the coding or not. Okay, so next, whatever we are going to discuss, it's a recording and it's going to be uploaded in our YouTube channel. I request everyone please subscribe for RTL online trainings and placements to get the latest updates about Oracle trainings and as well as the placements. You can just go to YouTube and search with RTL online training and go for subscribe. Okay, so first we'll start up with our application point of view. Let me just open the document here. Yes. So here we are going to discuss the technology called Oracle Applications Technical. We also call it as EBS, E-Business Suite, ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning. This is the technology we are going to have the training as well as the placement. Okay. So everybody knows about Oracle, right? So everybody knows Oracle. It is one of the database. It is one of the database. What is the database? Database is used to maintain the data in proper format. Every client will be doing some business. Maybe your client is banking client or insurance client or automobile, or they may be from education background. They can have different domains. Whatever the data they are going to enter day-to-day business, it means like their sales information, their procurement information, their payments information, their receivables information, their employees, employee absences, employee salaries, employee performance, employee timesheets. So this is all information we want to maintain in a proper format. For that, we need a software, right? So when we say we require a software, generally you take any software, there will be two things, front end as well as back end. Front end as well as back end. Two things will be there. One is front end, another one is back end. Okay, two things we will find. You take any software. Just 1 minute, guys. So if we take any software, there will be a both front end and back end, right? So Oracle is one of the back end. It's one of the database to maintain that. So front end is nothing but the forms and reports what the users use day to day, data entry operators. So you might have gone to some shopping or somewhere, right? So you might have seen there will be employees who are using the computers, who are going to enter the data in the applications, either sales or invoice or receivings or returns, items. Okay, this is all information, right? So for that, they will be using the software. So Oracle applications is one of the ERP software. Oracle applications is one of the ERP software. This is what we are going to learn. Oracle applications was one of the ERP software. What is mean by ERP? What is mean by ERP? ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Enterprise Resource Planning. Enterprise is nothing but a company. Enterprise is nothing but a company. For example, ICICI is there, one of the banking enterprise. HDFC is there, is one of the banking enterprise. LIC, insurance enterprise. Okay. And Tata, of course, they got all businesses, right? And let's say we have JNTU is one of the education university, education enterprise, right? Like this, there will be a lakhs of companies in India. Across the world, you will see millions, right? So to maintain their day-to-day accounting information, sales information, payments information and all, employees data, then we will be using this ERP software. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Resource means their assets information, their employees, their suppliers, their customers, their banks, their day-to-day business data. That's what we wanted to enter in a proper plan. That's what we call it as ERP application. Enterprise Resource Planning. Who are the competitors available in the market? We have Salesforce is one of the competitor. SAP is one of the competitor. Microsoft Dynamics is one of the competitor. Workday is one of the competitor. So there are other tools available, other ERP products, but major competitor for Oracle in the market right now is this. So these all are also ERP products. These are also ERP products. Salesforce, SAP, Microsoft Dynamics, Workday. So these all are competitors for our Oracle applications here. Okay. So this Oracle application software is introduced in 1996. In 1996, it's introduced by Oracle. So you can see that last 30 years, almost last 30 years, this ERP sector we have in the market. There are some lakhs of customers across the world. Across the world, they are using this software. So for those clients, we have to provide the support. We have to customize the product. We have to develop the product as per the client requirement. We are supposed to do the extensions. Okay. That's what we have to do it. So let's say how this project will be started, how the client will approach, how this project will be started, what are different types of jobs we will see, and what are the prerequisites for this. That's what we are going to discuss now. Let's say our client is Xerox Corporation, is one of the electronic manufacturing company, for example. Electronics manufacturing company, Xerox Corporation. So what this client is doing is they have around 100 branches in 4 countries: India, US, UK, and Singapore. 4 countries, they have total 100 branches. They are doing daily business, selling the goods to customers, collecting the amount from the customer, purchasing the material from the suppliers, making the payments to suppliers, maintaining employees' data, employee leaves. So let's say they have around 25,000 employees they have. So to maintain their entire business day-to-day transactions, make sure that their business is in control and their business is in live, everything they are into, they want to use the ERP software. So they approach Oracle or Salesforce company or SAP company, Microsoft company, Workday company. So it depends, right? Obviously, when we say there is a product, definitely there will be competitors. Customer will always see the best price, best service and product, right? So let's say Xerox company has decided, okay, we are interested to go ahead with Oracle. We are ready to go ahead with Oracle, and we want to use this Oracle EBS software, this Oracle ERP software. They decided, okay. So when Xerox company has decided to use this Oracle ERP software, what they do is they approach first Oracle Corporation, because Oracle Corporation has developed this product. Oracle Corporation company has developed many products. They have developed Oracle database. They developed Oracle business intelligence tools. They developed Oracle integration tools. They also developed Oracle ERP tools. This is one of the ERP product developed by Oracle. Okay. In 1996, they started, still they are started development and everything. Right now, Oracle ERP with the cloud, Oracle ERP with artificial intelligence, Oracle Cloud with the blockchain, Oracle Cloud with the data science. So all the features are available here. It means Oracle is developing the ERP software every day as per the market, because now in the current market every client is asking, I want to have the cloud features, I want to have the artificial intelligence features, as well as blockchain, as well as data science features. Yes, Oracle is providing everything in this product. Okay, of course the competitors also started working on that, but Oracle is go in the front end. I'll tell you that where is that. Okay, next level. So when client approach Oracle Corporation and buy this product, Oracle ERP, Oracle ERP. So this ERP software will be suitable to maintain your complete day-to-day business data, right? The purpose of ERP software is you can maintain the complete day-to-day business transactions, whatever the business you are doing day-to-day, that entire transactions information will be maintained in this software. Okay, in this software, that entire transactions will be maintained. But this software is developed by Oracle for the customers across the world. Oracle developed this product not only for this client. They developed it is for everybody. It is for everybody. Now, Xerox company, what they have to do is they have to customize this product. They have to implement this product for their business. It means they need to configure their entire business. They have to build the programs. They have to build the reports. They need to do the setups, configurations, testing, business process, documentation, end user trainings, and finally they can start using the software. Okay, so what Xerox company will do is that particular work, they will give it to Oracle partners. Okay, there is a TCS company, there is a Infosys company, there is a Wipro company, there is a PwC, there is Tech Mahindra, there is an Accenture, there is an Deloitte. Like this, there are thousands of customers across the world. Thousands of customers across the world we have. Across the world we have thousands of customers. They all are Oracle partners. These all companies are Oracle partners. So if any client buy the Oracle products, immediately these people will go for bidding. These people will go to the client and says that you purchased Oracle ERP software, right? And do you want to go for an implementation of this product? We are implementation partners with the Oracle. We are ready to help you. and they give the quotation, they give the time frame, they give the features, whatever they are ready to implement, and of course they'll go for present their strength, whatever the project successfully they have done so far, right? So now the client will decide, okay, I'm interested to go ahead with the Infosys company. So somewhat the quotation what they have given is a bit less, and also the quality of the work what they have done so far, and having some good relationships. And the client says that, okay, you can go for configure this ERP software for my business, okay, and they, let's say they take 2 years of time, 2 years of time. Now, what Infosys company will do is, okay, I need to implement this software for my client who are having the business in 100 branches with 25,000 employees and 4 countries, India, US, UK, and Singapore. So to maintain all this business data, this ERP software, so they decided to go for 2 years implementation. Obviously, now Infosys team needs to recruit the software developers, right? You need to recruit the software team, right? Software developers. If you want to implement this Oracle ERP software, you should recruit first DBAs, then you should recruit then functional consultants, then you should recruit technical consultants. That's the 3 different types of roles we see in the project. DBA role is for installation of the application, backup, security, storage, cloning. This all DBA will take care 24/7, make sure that the server is not having any issues. Then functional consultant and technical consultant will start working in the project. So what functional consultant will do is, functional consultant is going to discuss with the client, gather the requirement, prepare the document, doing the setups and testing also, and finally deliver to client. That's what functional consultant will do it. Technical consultant is supposed to develop the programs, reports, customize the reports, customize the programs, test the application as per the requirement. Okay, so generally in the ERP sector, you take any ERP softwares, if you are working, we call it as a consultant, associate consultant, technical consultant. We don't call it as software engineer. Some companies, of course, they also give the designation as software engineer, but mainly consultant. That, like how we get it in data science, we see that, right? Science consultant, data specialist, data engineer, like that. Same thing in ERPs, we see the consultant option. In ERPs, we see the consultant. Now, this is what the course we are going to learn, technical consultant. This is the course we are going to learn, technical consultant. Okay. So for this technical, what are the prerequisites are required? You should be clear with the basics of SQL. We take care of the real-time SQL, and also you should be clear with the basic of PLSQL. We take care of the real-time of PLSQL. You should have basic idea of SQL and PLSQL. That you can do it in 3-4 days also. If somebody is not done so far, even if you are interested to go ahead with that, then even you can start up today within 3-4 days. You can complete. If you go to YouTube channel, you can search Oracle SQL tutorials for beginners. If you search here, then I can suggest you the best tutorial. Yes, tutorials point. This is fine. This guys will give you the basics very clearly. And there are around, you will see that, okay, around 40. Each session you will have 10 minutes or 15 minutes, not more than that. It comes around 4 hours. That's fine. That's very basic, not the real time, basic. That's fine. That's if you are perfect, then we take care of remaining things. So you can remember tutorials point, Oracle SQL, beginners. Okay. So that's the prerequisites to join in this particular course. Yeah. Any doubts here so far? Are you catching my teaching? Please let me know. Anything first? Yes, someone is asking the doubts, Mr. Nitin. Yeah, you go ahead. You can unmute yourself and.
Yeah. So, good morning, sir.
Go ahead.
Uh, so I just wanted to know, like EBS is the same for R12?
Yeah,
Both are same?
yeah, both are so.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So now you are clear the technology what you are going to learn. Oracle applications, ERP software. In that technology, what are different roles are there and which role you are going to learn. Now you are clear. And what are the prerequisites required for this? That you are clear. Right. And which companies have the requirements. This I have written is very less companies. In India itself, there are some hundreds of companies who are recruiting the ERP consultants. Okay, fine. Next. So before I go for showing the application, I'll just come back to the training options, how the Oracle RTL we are doing it. So about RTL Technologies, when we talk about, we established in 2005, around 20 years back. I myself established last 20 years. I'm giving the training. Almost 30,000 students and classroom training I have provided. I place more than 5,000 students across the world, exclusively in Oracle applications. We don't train other technologies because we are mainly into the placements. We are mainly into the trainings and placements. Okay. Generally, institute means majorly they provide the trainings, but we take care of training and placement. That is very important for us. And we don't deal with multiple technologies. We deal with only one technology, that is Oracle applications. Oracle, Oracle applications, Oracle Cloud, and Oracle Artificial Intelligence, AI. Only this we will deal with this. And I have 42,000 YouTube subscribers who are exclusively Oracle, not any other technologies. And I have 30,000 Udemy students online who has purchased my courses with 4.5 rating. If you have access, just go to udemy.com and search with Oracle Cloud, or if you search with Oracle Fusion Cloud or Chandramohan, you will get 30,000 Udemy online students who are having 4.5 ratings. And we started last batch, especially freshers. Of course, we are doing it for experienced people since 20 years. 6 months back, we took 10 members for the placements, freshers. We did 10 out of 10 within the 6 months. Now we are planning to go for 20 members. Next 2 years, we wanted to go for 200 to 300 members for every 6 months. That's what actually our plan. Okay. So we done 10 last batch. This batch we want to go with 20. Next batch we want to go with 50. So our down the line, next 2 years, our target is 200 to 300 members, freshers. In every 6 months, we wanted to place. That's what actually our target. Okay. And we strictly follow terms and conditions. This last point is very important. Maybe your reference or relative or anybody else, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter for RTL. We strictly follow the terms and conditions. If somebody is not following terms and conditions, immediately we will terminate from the batch. Yeah, that's very important. Last point. Okay. So this particular training is purely for the freshers as well as for the experienced people. If you are already working and you would like to switch to the IT, yes, we are ready to do it. You are a fresher, graduate, 23 passed out, 24, 25. Yeah, we go ahead with 23, 24, 25 as a fresher. You are passed out in 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 2015. Then we have to go with experience. So we do both. We do both as a fresher as well as an experienced consultant. We go ahead with the trainer, trained freshers, as well as the experienced consultant. Okay. Experienced means we start minimum 3 years, right? So sometimes what happened? Last time L&D company took around 2 members out of 10 with 2 years of experience only. Yeah, that's what. How the placement will happen? As I said, many people think that fresher means they will ask for less subject, or we are a freshers, and someone else are preparing in the batch for 4+ experience. Okay, so I don't need to be strong in the technology like that they may think. No, trained fresher is different, fresher is different. So trained fresher is someone who is trained fresher is someone who is having the equal knowledge of 4 years of experienced consultant. Trained fresher should prepare well and says to the company, if you take me, I'm ready to work in the first day directly in the project independently without any support. I myself can start working. You have to prepare in that way. You have to prepare in that way. Generally, what companies will do, they come to campus, they recruit freshers, and they take them, and whatever the technology they have a requirement, they will train you. Maybe they have 2 3 options. Some big companies, they will give you, you can choose whether testing, you can choose Python, you can choose data science, you can choose Oracle, or you can choose some banking project, like different, right? So some companies, they can, okay, we will train you on Oracle and you have to work. So that option will be there, but that is fresher. But you came out of that excuse me, out of that particular opportunity, and you are out of the campus the last 1 year or 2 years or 3 years. Now you have to be very careful. So now you have to think what company is required, and you have to be ready over there, because you need an opportunity as a fresher. Okay. So the companies, what they are thinking is, if I take one fresher, I need to train him. It takes time, 3 to 4 months time, and then I need to invest the money. And after that, I don't know whether he will be a productive or not. This all will be an expensive time taking mainly for me. So I may not be able to consider you for the fresher right now. The market is also not up to the mark, IT market. That's what they may think. But if you are a trained fresher, if you are a trained fresher, it means you are telling to the company, I already got trained well, and you can just test me in this technology myself. I don't have the gap, otherwise, I could have kept around 4 years. That's what are my capacity in the subject. You have to prepare like that. You have to prepare like that. Then the companies will take. There are many companies who are ready to take trained freshers. Last week in Pune, one of my friend, he was a manager in Pune company. He conducted an trained freshers interview for Clover Infotech in Pune for freshers in Oracle applications technical. They actually required 7 members. 3 members came for interview. They mentioned clearly, we are looking for 24, 25 passed out trained freshers for Oracle applications technical. You must have got trained well. That's what they mentioned. Their requirement was 7 actually. They got 3 members. Okay. So if they says that passed out 24, 25, then thousands of people will come. But my secondary requirement is you should be very strong in the technology called Oracle Apps Technical. Okay, you should be very strong in Oracle Apps Technical. That's Oracle technical technology is important. Okay, so there the problem has came. So that's why we are very confident that if you are a fresher also, yes, we are ready to place you. If you are experienced also, yes, we are ready to place you. Experienced means we go 3 to 5 years of experience. Our training will be like that. As I said, we are very strictly follow terms and conditions in the placement. No way compromise. Maybe you are any person. We never compromise. We strictly follow, because the quality comes with terms and conditions only. Quality never come without terms and conditions. Okay. So that's what actually we follow for you know trained fresher and experienced consultant. This has got both online as well as offline training. Both online as well as offline training. So online means you must be always be in touch with our teams or Zoom with our employees as a trainer, as an assignment, as a coordinator, as a HR, as mark interview people. Many people will be communicating. There will be a timings, office timings. You must be online and offline. Okay. If somebody says that we are ready to come to office, yes, we have two offices in Hyderabad. One is in Ameerpet, another one is in High-Tech City. High-Tech City, we just started. We'll be starting from July 1st. In Ameerpet, that's there since 20 years. Okay. As I said, we are going ahead with the next level every 6 months. We don't start next batch on below 6 months because we have to place the current candidates, right? That's why. Daily 5 to 6 hours, there will be a working hours. 1 hour session will be there. There will be a 1 hour session with 20 years of industry expert trainer. Myself will give you the training, 1 hour. Then after that, assignment will be given by the industry expert. My subordinates will give you the assignment. For example, today we discussed how to work with XML. And I will be explaining the topic and I'll give you one example how to do that XML. On that XML, at least 10-15 assignments you have to complete. Assigning the assignments, testing the assignments will be done by my subordinates. They'll be communicating with you. If you come to office, they'll communicate with you personally. If you are in online, if you are at your home, obviously through the Zoom, you have to share the screen and show the assignment, whatever they have given it. So the assignment will be verification will be done by our subordinates. And obviously, end of the day, you are supposed to explain whatever the assignment you have done, which is very important. For example, you might have done 4 or 5 reports in XML, but when you go for an interview, they'll ask you, tell me how will you build the XML reports? I have a requirement. Let's say there is a AWS cloud server is there. You have to write a program and bring the data from that cloud and generate XML report. Tell me how will you do it? You should be in a position to explain in a proper way. Okay. So learning is important. At the same time, explanation is more important. Explanation is more important. That you have to be always keep it in your mind. Because when you go for an interview, they won't ask you to develop a report. They'll ask you how you have developed a report. Then you have to explain, not the develop. They won't ask you to develop immediately. Right. If your way of explanation is good, if your presentation is good, then they will give an opportunity because learning, even if your subject is a bit slow, no problem. That can be built in a week or in a 10 days. If you sit daily, this entire course comes around 40 hours. If you want to be a strong in Oracle Apps Technical, okay, max 40 hours. If I sit every day 5 hours, so how many days? Maybe you sit every day 4 hours. In 10 days, it will be closed. But number of assignments we have to do, and on that assignments, you are supposed to give the presentation. If they ask you, tell me how you developed purchase order report, you have to explain what were the parameters, what was the conditions, how you written the query, how you designed the data model, how you designed the layout model, how you developed the report, how you registered the report and tested the report, and what are the problems you got during this development, testing, and delivery, how you communicated with the client. After that, how you prepared the documentation. These all things you should be in a position to explain. That is very important. Okay. So for that, definitely there will be a mock entry. So there are three things. One is your training. Second one is your assignment. And the third one is you are supposed to give the explanation for assignment with what do you call the result. That assignment complete explanation should happen in English. Okay. So that's how we will go with the placement process. So the terms and conditions, when it comes to that, 100% attendance is required for the classroom. 100%. We are going to have 6 months training. 100% attendance is mandate. Otherwise, there will be a 500 rupees fine. That including with your parents. It means your parents will get a notification that today you are not attended for the class. For that 500 rupees fine has happened. Then assignment must be completed. Whatever the assignment we have given, that should be completed. And if you have any doubts in that assignment, you should communicate with our subordinate. They will give you the explanation. They'll give you sample. They'll ask you to share the screen and they'll do it in front of you. Then you should do it. But end of the day, it should be completed. Then whatever the assignment you have done, it must be explained in English. That also should happen in this. Okay. Explanation in English, we will give you 1 month time. I cannot expect that everybody can do it right from the first day itself. We'll give 1 month time. We will train you. We'll give you the mock interviews training, how you can project, how you have to explain. This all we will give you the training 1 month. From second month onwards, this rule will be applied. But first two rules will be applied right from the first day. Right from the first day. The moment when you join in the placements batch, right from the first day it will happen. Whether you are a fresher or you are experienced. The third point, yes, definitely, we give you 1 month consideration. 1 month consideration. In this 1 month, we will train you. Some people will get perfect within a week, within 10 days, within 20 days. By end of the month, everybody should be perfect on the presentation. No compromise at all in this. Every communication happen through your parents. Our HR team always be in touch with your parent and communicated with them. This is what happening. This is what the status of your children. Okay. Next. Working times, our class will be 7:30 to 8:30. This is the same time my class will be complete. This is fixed, no doubt. Morning 7:30 to 8:30, I'll complete a class. In 1 hour class, I'll explain a topic. I'll explain one example or two examples. Okay. Then after that, my team will start 8:30 to 9:30. Continuous. My subordinate will continue. Whatever the topic we have discussed on that, he will give you the assignment. And he will explain you how to do that assignment. He will also ask you any doubts you have, any help you required from me. Okay. And he will also do 1 or 2 examples in front of you. Every class will be recorded, no problem. Everything will be recorded and it will be shared to your Google Drive. You can download, you can go through multiple times, but you have to do it. End of the day, you have to do that. So the first class will happen 7:30 to 8:30. I will take it. And then my subordinate will go through you and he will also do 1 or 2 examples and he will give you the assignment on that. And he will ask you any doubts are there and also he will mentor you how to complete that assignment. Then 2 o'clock, your assignment presentation will be started, 2 to 5. Assignment explanation, mock interviews discussion, there will be a schedule. So if you come to office, you have to be here. If you are on online, yes, you communicate. If sometimes if you say, no, I'm not able to come to today office, then connect through online, through Zoom. Be ready with a laptop with good internet connection. And you should be in a position to share your screen and start working. That also very important. Every minute we will calculate. Okay. So if somebody says that network problem, laptop problem, I'm not able to share, this communication is very important. We take it very seriously because many people, if 10 people are there on the team or there on the Zoom meeting, so it's every minute is a valuable time, right? Right now we are 47 members in this meeting. If I waste 5 minutes of time, then indirectly 1 hour valuable time is wasted. Everybody's 5 minutes means it comes around 1 to 2 hours time, right? That's very important. So when you say you are on online, you have to be very careful. Okay. So that's the terms and conditions. As I said in the first slide itself, RTL will follow very strictly terms and conditions. Maybe you came from any reference. Maybe you are a friend reference, you are a previous batch student reference, maybe you are a relative reference. Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter in these terms and conditions. Okay. Next, when it comes to the salary point of view. Okay, we are ready to work. Terms and conditions, we are ready to dedicate next 4 to 6 months. Minimum 4 months I required for placement. Maximum 6 months I required for placement. With these rules, with these terms and conditions. Then what will be the package? Obviously, we are working hard. Trained fresher means 3 to 6 lakhs per annum. Depends on your performance in the interview. When you put 2 to 3 years of experience, 6 to 9 lakhs per annum. And 4 to 6 years of experience means 12 to 15 lakhs per annum. So if you are passed out in 2024, 2025, obviously we'll go with trained fresher. You are passed out in 23. 23 means 23 also sometimes considered as a fresher. You have 2 years gap, but still they consider as a fresher also, trained fresher also. But 22, 21, 20, 19, 17, 18, 16, 15, this all comes under 4 plus 5 plus 6. We go up to 6 years. Don't worry, our training is very strong. We are working very hard compared to any other institution in Oracle Apps Technical. Maybe some other technologies, somebody might be having tight rules and regulations, the way of training, assignments, mock interview, presentations, and all might be more. But Oracle Apps Technical in India, we are the people who are going to have the complete structural placement process like this. Only 20 members. Today is on June 15th, or sorry, 16th. September 16th, if somebody says that, if some company says that we are looking for trained freshers in Oracle or Oracle Apps Technical or Oracle Cloud Technical, then we 20 people should be there and get placed. That's what actually our target. Okay. Then, as I said, when we are going to learn this particular technology, you can apply for 3 jobs. You are going to learn one course, but you are applying for 3 jobs. You are suitable for Oracle developer. If some company says that I'm looking for Oracle developers, PLSQL developers, then you are eligible because we are learning complete SQL and PLSQL with Linux. Yeah, we give the training on Linux. It is required also, but not in-depth required. Whatever is required for Oracle developers, we'll learn it. Okay. So if there is any position as a trained or experienced consultant for Oracle developer, yes, our profile is suitable. Then Oracle Apps Technical, ERP. In ERP, we are going to give the training, right? We are going to get the training, so obviously will be suitable. Then Oracle Cloud. This is the latest one introduced by Oracle recently. There will be less opportunities in the cloud because cloud is just started, cloud and artificial intelligence. Obviously, we are going to learn that also. It's not a complex. See, once you are clear with this, what you call PLSQL and SQL, easy to learn Oracle apps. Once you are clear with Oracle apps, this is matter of 7 hours. Cloud, because the same framework here also, just cloud option will be there. Only cloud option and artificial intelligence option will be there. That we will learn very easily. So once you complete this training, you will be able to apply for 3 jobs: PLSQL developer, EBS technical consultant, cloud technical consultant. 3 different. You don't worry about the same syllabus. Syllabus is same. But additionally, you have to just spend 6 to 7 hours if it is cloud. But when you are learning the cloud, whatever the topics are there here, same topics will be repeated, but in the cloud, not in the on-premise. What is on-premise, what is cloud, you will come to know later. When we are learning, we will come to know it. In both the places, we use the PLSQL. Sometimes client says that I am looking for exclusively PLSQL developer. PLSQL developer means one of the central government job. If you get a job as a PLSQL developer and get start work and get experience 1 or 2 years, Your job is permanent. It's a government, central government job. And lifelong you can work. You can go up to 45 lakhs in India. In India, the highest package for the PLSQL developer is 45 lakhs. You can go up to that and you can go for retirement. Even EBS Technical and Cloud Technical also. So many people, my students are earning 40 plus, 40,000, 40 lakhs plus. That's what their package now after 15 years. Okay. So it depends on the requirement. You can apply it for this one or, but all three are good positions, good technology. You are going to get a very good, because nowadays we know that everybody is talking about artificial intelligence. It is going to wash out our even software developers jobs also, like that people are talking. But any artificial intelligence comes, nothing will happen to these particular positions, because these all are human interactions required. Without interacting the consultant, means as a consultant, if we don't interact with the client and gather the requirement, prepare the document, get approval from the client, and then start designing the technical spec, the development of the program, testing the program, delivery, and interacting with the end user, providing the training manuals. This all AI can do it. Maybe some places AI will be helpful, not the complete decision making. Okay. So this is an ERP product where the AI may not be able to involve, maybe 5% impact or 10%, not more than that. Okay. So what I can say is next 20 years, the best technology where you can go for work, where you can build your career next 20 years with a good package, with good opportunities, either in India or on site. Okay. As I said, in our, if we look at last here, the technologies, terms and conditions. We are here with 100% money back, whatever the amount you paid, this 100% money back if we don't place you within 4 to 6 months. As I said, you followed all our terms and conditions, means yeah, you got placed. Otherwise, it's my problem. You followed my terms and conditions, but still you didn't get placement, means it's my problem. It's my mistake. Then you take your money back. I'm not in a position to take your money, because it was my training went wrong. That's what we feel. We applied last batch. Now we are applying for this batch. We apply for future batches. As I said, last batch count it was 10. Now it should be 20. Next level it will be 50, 100, and as I said, 200 per batch in 6 months. Okay. So that will be an agreement you are going to have with RTL. Okay. So the why we are telling this much of confident 100% back is there is nobody in the Oracle Apps Technical for trained freshers. Today, if there is any walk-in for Java freshers, you will find at least 2,000 to 5,000 members, either in Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Pune. But if there is a walk-in for Oracle Apps Technical freshers, nobody is there. Max in single digit, not even double digit. Of course, if you put it for experienced, maybe 4 to 5 experience, maybe you will get to 30 to 40 members, not more than that also. But for Oracle applications, trained fresher, see, fresher is different, trained fresher is different. That's what. So we identified around 42 companies in India, both startups, mid-size, not level 5 up to the mark. Level 5 last time only L&T company took it 2 members. Okay. So last 42 companies, they are ready to take Oracle Labs freshers, technical, Oracle Labs technical trained freshers. They are ready to take up, and they are okay to go ahead with 3 to 6 lakhs per annum. So we decided to go for this program. Yes, we follow terms and conditions. We also follow our commitment. This 100% money back, whatever we are giving, yes, it's an agreement. It is an agreement. And I'm going to post this video in YouTube channel. This is not something we'll put it because we are in 20 years in market, and next 20 years we want to be in the market, right? So it's very transparent. We follow the rules and regulations. We expect from the students the same thing you can also expect from us. Both the sides, we are very strict. Okay, fine, guys. This is just the training process. I just wanted to remind you before we start one simple exercise what we do in Oracle Labs. Okay, so what I explained first is which technology you are going to get a training. Oracle Labs Technical. So what exactly this technology is? If any client is doing some business to maintain their day-to-day business transactions, they need a software. That's what we call it as ERP software. Who are the competitors? Salesforce is there, SAP is there, Microsoft Dynamics is there, Workday is there, right? These are the competitors. Same Oracle Apps Technical, Oracle Applications, ERP software since 1996. When I say 1996, almost 30 years, right? Last 30 years, there are thousands of customers has implemented this software across the world. They need a support, they need a customization, they need upgradation. If they are going for the new version like cloud or artificial intelligence, they need a development team also. That's why huge requirement is there in Oracle Apps Technical, irrespective of the market. Okay. So here, the companies who will provide the support for them is all the level 5 companies, even startups and mid-sized companies. Everybody is going to provide the support for the customers. Here it is. Okay, there will be three different roles. DBA role will be there, functional role will be there, technical role will be there. Here, technical means it is required your basic SQL and PL skill. That's what the prerequisition required. We take care of the SQL real-time and PLSQL real-time assignments and all. We take care, at least basic things. I also referred the YouTube channel. Even if you start, if somebody is not started so far SQL and PLSQL, we don't know. At least you can start now. Be perfect. This 40 sessions you will find very good sessions. 40 sessions you can go through. Each session max 15 minutes. It means around 4 to 5 hours, not more than that. You will find. Okay, so you can go through serial number SQL number one, number two, like that, right? If I go to playlists and you will see the SQL. This is SQL introduction, right? Environment setup, DDL statements, SQL constraints. This all you will see one by one. Okay, so that's about the prerequisites. So how it looks like Oracle application software. So what is the fees and other things you can communicate with our admin. So our admin will tell you what is the fees and all. You can find our admin. If you want to communicate with them today itself, you can communicate, or no problem, you take tomorrow and day after tomorrow. This is our admin number, WhatsApp number. So you can communicate with them. Not hurry, because today is first demo. Tomorrow also we have a demo, and day after tomorrow also we have a demo. Today almost 30 minutes I explained about the placement process, terms and conditions and other things. Okay, only 30 minutes we spoke actual technology. But tomorrow 1 hour full-fledged will be discussing practical demo about Oracle applications. And we take a demo and we'll talk about that here, right? Okay, and then day after tomorrow also. So when we do it, some people might be very worrying about the coding. So coding is not a problem. So the reason why people are lacking coding skills is, for example, when I join an Oracle class today, we will talk about how to create a table. Tomorrow we'll be discussing how to insert a record into table. Let's say day of third class, we go with update a record into table. And then fourth day we go for delete statement, right? Fifth day we will go for joins table. And then we go for set operators. Let's say the sessions happen this week like this. Generally, when we join in the course, first day Oracle creating table, the trainer will explain how will you create a table. So we do practice. And next day, trainer will explain you how to insert a record. We also do the practice. That's fine, good. Then third day we discuss updating records with the different examples. That's fine. Delete statement also, how to delete a single record, how to delete multiple records, how to delete records based on the conditions. We also do that. Next, multiple joins, nothing but if I want to retrieve the data from multiple tables, how to think and how to join those tables and get it. The same thing, set operators, multiple query result. That's what we will be doing it. So the problem is people will do the practice first day creating table and they don't do it the second day. Okay. And second day purely we do practice on insert. Third day purely we do it undo. But it's not like that. When you are learning the coding, when you are learning the coding, when you say first day you completed how to create a table, second day also you have to complete how to create a table and insert statement. Third day you have to complete Oracle how to create a table, insert statement and update statement. Fourth day again you have to go with like this all, and then you have to go with this, join the table. This is how you are supposed to do the practice. You should not leave this first option. It should be continued every day. It should be continued every day. Then it will be always on your fingertips. Many people, what they do when they come up, if you go like this practice, when you are doing set operators, all of a sudden your trainer will ask you, hey, can you create a table and insert a record and delete some of the records and make update some statement? You will get confused. And you feel that coding is very strong. It's very difficult to remember the syntax. Because you done as of day only. You have not continued that legacy. You have to continue that legacy. If you go for second class, first class should be done first, again then you go for second class. So many people, I created table yesterday, I created 2-3 tables. Why do I need to create table again today? Because the table creation syntax must be on your fingertips. Because when you go for an interview, the interviewer will find how much experienced you are, how much spontaneously you are giving the answer as an experienced professional. So the experienced professional is very simple. See, it's many people that, sir, I'm putting 3 years experience. Is it really 3 years experience I got? Because I'm learning 2-3 months course, right? I'm putting 3 years or 4 years or 5 years. When you sit daily 4-5 hours, it is equal to that. In the real time, when their people are working, they also write the same code. They also write the same code. But they sit in front of the laptop 8 hours per day. They get 1 lakh salary, 1.5 or 2 lakhs per month. Still, they sit 8 hours in front of the laptop and do the work. And they'll be in touch with every time. They write queries, they update the statements, they delete, they find the issues, they read the issues, errors. So it's a part of their life. Almost 50% of their life is engaged with the technology. The same thing we have to do it in our train. Okay. So when you go to the third day, again you start with the table. You created already multiple months, then again create. This time don't see the notes, don't see the recording. Create a table with different names, different columns, different data types, and insert a records and then update a record. This will improve your patience first. This is very important. You have good communication, you have good knowledge, but you don't have patience. There is no use. If you don't have a patience to sit 5 to 6 hours, then it's difficult to get a job in the market right now, especially. So when you want to do the practice, you have to sit number of hours in the lab, which is very important. You yourself has to prepare some assignments. You have to go that level. It takes some time, but you have to go that level. It will be a very good training for entire career. So whatever the training you are taking now, it's not only for entry level of the job. It should be carry on next 20 years. Whatever the methods you are learning, whatever the terms and conditions you are following in RTL, it should carry next 20 years in your career always. Right. That's how we will go ahead. I'm telling very practically, openly in the demo itself. It will be very strict, very hard. Otherwise, we don't get result. People who are ready to sacrifice next 4 to 6 months their life for their career, please join. If you say it will be difficult, it looks like something hard, then we also not recommend. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, guys. That's about the basic thing. Yeah. You have any doubts, please go ahead. Yeah. You can unmute yourself and ask for the doubts, please.
Hello, Chandra. Good morning. Actually, my query is currently I'm working in an IT, so I will not be able to join this mock interview or assessment assignment session, which will be held at 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. So, how I
That
can
you
go ahead with
communicate
this?
with our admin.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Yes. This is the WhatsApp number. Yeah, please.
Hi, Sam. Good morning. This is Sonam. I'm working professional, and I want to know, can we get the topics which we're going to learn, all the things like overview, like all the topics I want to see, like if we can
Uh,
get from admin.
Tomorrow morning, we will be discussing with that, and we also do the assignment. Second day.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah. Tomorrow, complete syllabus I will explain, and then we go for the assignment, and we also see how to connect to the server, cloud, and how to do the projects and all. Yes, Nitin, go ahead.
Yeah. So, like, when we start that course, so what will be the prerequisites for the systems? Like, how we
No,
create
no
the.
need to worry about system. We don't need to install because we have a cloud. We will give that.
Okay, we will use the cloud things.
Yes, yes. You don't need to have it. Just have a good laptop with internet connection. That's it.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Hi, so I have a doubt actually.
Yeah.
Cloud in the sense we are going for ERP, like our EBS is like on premises, right?
Yes.
We used to get VM or like virtual
Both.
machine or like
We are going to get remote desktop. That
okay,
is one server. Cloud is separate. This is EBS. This we will be
yeah,
connecting
yeah.
to remote desktop. And this is what we are going to learn actually, Oracle Labs Technical. But now the companies are asking the cloud with artificial intelligence. Now that is the latest cloud tool. So that we will be learning as a cloud option through this. That's why I kept in the PowerPoint presentation. We can apply for the jobs in 3 options. Yeah. So for
Like
this separate server,
like I have an experience. Mhm.
go ahead.
Uh, like like I have an experience all out like HCM in end to end, like the cloud one. Is it easy to grab the EBS?
No problem. No issue.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Sir, actually, will you covering the OAF concept as well?
Yes, yes. OF also.
Okay.
So, like, how long it will be available, that remote lab, when we enroll in this course?
That will be 3 months.
after that it will be deactivated
After that, you need to go for personally pay 2000 and you are supposed to get it.
from your side. If I pay,
Third party. There is a third party will give their contact number. Directly you can communicate with them.
okay.
That's a third party company will provide the servers.
Okay. It will be for how much time it will be?
Sorry, how much time
Like
means?
if I pay 2000, so
3
how long?
months. For 3 months, 2000. Yeah.
Okay, 3 months, 2000. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Fine, guys. Let's see you tomorrow, and you will see this video in another
Hi
1 hour.
sir, good morning.
Yeah.
Sorry I didn't join at 7:30,
Hmm.
so I didn't listen the class.
I
Is there
request
any
you go through the video.
Mm-hmm.
We'll upload in YouTube and ask
Oh,
for the doubts tomorrow. Tomorrow, you please join at 7:30.
sure, I'll be there.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. Let's see you tomorrow. Okay.